Oh. Yep, Sky Controller giving me the same warning, but nothing from the phone. Very laggy picture. And I believe, once again, at 874 meters, I have just lost connection. There we go, folks. I have just lost connection. So, hopefully it should be back here soon. Yep, Sky Controller telling me that, or giving me warning noises, and telling me that I have a red Wi-Fi connection. But, I got no indication from the app whatsoever that the Bebop has lost connection, I was losing Wi-Fi or anything, and I'm only at 874 meters. Again, that's still not even halfway to 2 kilometers. So it's at a height of 47 meters. The return home function should be initiating, which is a good thing since it's getting really dark. And still have not connected yet. I also still have 58% on the drone. Lots of planes in the sky, but still. Oh. So, I have just regained connection with it, 560 meters away, showing me that we're coming home. And as you can see by the Sky Controller, all the lights are blinking, telling us that we have, the return home function has been initiated. It's at 447 meters high and 380 meters away. So we should see it shortly. I'm not touching it whatsoever, and we'll see where it lands again. It took off from right over there. Right down there, and we're now 200 meters away. Starting to get very dark out from what my screen's telling me, but it's really light out. I thought I would have better quality with this. There we go.
I hear something.
It is. It's right there. Let's see if it smashes into a tree. I'll, of course, stop it, but see what it does first. I think it's going to land right in the clearing, which is good. I'm going to actually move it over a bit. And now I'm going to initiate the landing. Now what I'm going to do is I'll have another fresh battery. Okay, never mind.